What do Linux CLI error messages really mean? Imagine trying to fix a problem on your computer and getting a message that makes no sense. Those messages are actually clues to what went wrong. When you use the Linux command line interface, error messages pop up to tell you about issues with your commands. They can seem confusing at first, but they are very helpful once you understand what they mean. These messages come into main forms: exit status codes and descriptive texts. Exit status codes are numbers that a command returns after running. If the number is 0, everything went fine. If it is not 0, something went wrong. Each number points to a different kind of problem. Descriptive error texts are plain language messages like permission denied or no such file or directory. These tell you what specifically caused the error. For example, if you see permission denied, it means you do not have the right permissions to access the file or folder. If you see no such file or directory, it means the path or file name you typed is wrong or the file does not exist. Sometimes you get invalid argument, which means you used a command option incorrectly. Other times you might see read-only file system, meaning the system cannot write to that location because it is set to read-only mode. If you see argument list too long, it means you tried to pass too many files or arguments at once, often with wildcards. Understanding these messages helps you fix problems faster. For example, if a command fails with exit status code 1, it is a general error. If it is 2, it might be a permissions issue. You can check the last command's exit status by typing the command echo followed by a question mark. For example, echo will show the exit status. Different Linux distributions may display these messages slightly differently, but their meanings stay the same. Knowing what these messages mean makes working in the Linux terminal much easier. It helps you troubleshoot issues without needing to search online every time. These error messages are part of what makes Linux flexible and powerful. They guide you to fix problems quickly and keep your system running smoothly. Whether you are doing simple tasks or managing complex systems, understanding what Linux CLI error messages really mean is a useful skill. It turns confusing notifications into helpful hints that lead you to the solution.